Introducing the Bachmann Sound Value equipped Norfolk Southern Heritage diesel locomotives. With these models of Norfolk Southern's heritage fleet, Bachmann carries on the tradition of manufacturing innovative locomotives with features that are unique to their time. These locomotives feature all-new tooling, die-cast frames, Easy Mate Mark II couplers, and all-wheel drive. Available with authentic ES44 AC or SD70 ACE heritage paint schemes, these budget-friendly models are superb examples of Bachmann's attention to detail. The GE ES44 AC units are built to prototype GE plans with specific Norfolk Southern details. The EMD SD70 units are built to prototype EMD plans with specific Norfolk Southern details. All models feature manufacturer-specific trucks with RP25 blackened nickel-silver 42-inch wheels, layered tooling for superfine detail, and Celcon fine-scale handrails. The powerful 5-pole skew-wound can motor and balanced brass dual flywheels, together with a 14-to-1 gearbox and 12-wheel drive, provide superior performance at prototype scale speeds. These diesel locomotives feature a Sound Value SoundTraxx DCC decoder with a 16-bit polyphonic sound package using actual sounds recorded from the prototypes. Each locomotive features the appropriate GE or EMD prime mover sound, a choice of Nathan, Leslie, or Wabco horns, dynamic brakes, and bell. Features can be customized using a DCC programmer. Now you can enjoy high-quality sound at an affordable price with Bachmann's exclusive Sound Value line of locomotives.